Hi students, I am Jones. Now we are going to see 10th standard maths. I think 10th standard maths third chapter 3. Exercise 3.9. Third chapter exercise 3.9. Quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. So what is quadratic equations? So general form of equation general form a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 etc. and so on. But quadratic equation, general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. General form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx bx plus c equal to 0. In the quadratic expressions, quadratic expression let us say p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. So in a quadratic degree of the equation, degree is 2. Degree highest power, variable highest power 2 number, that is called a quadratic equation. So quadratic expression p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A is the coefficient of x square. B is the coefficient of x. C is a constant term. C is a constant term. Then equation right side 0. Equation right side 0. So therefore ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The roots of quadratic equation. Roots of quadratic equation. For example, here p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. The quadratic expression x square minus 2x minus 8. These are the roots. Roots are the x value substitute and whole term 0. X value substitute whole term 0. Factors coefficient of x square and coefficient of x square is 1. Constant term minus 8. So product number coefficient of x square into constant. 1 into minus 8 minus 8. Sum minus 2. So what are the two numbers? And the two numbers product 8 sum minus 2 number 4 2 7. 4 into 2 answer 8. But the add answer 6 number minus 4. So minus 4 into 2 answer minus 8. Minus 4 plus 2 answer minus 2. So the practice x square in the central term split minus 4x plus 2x split minus 8. then இதனோட common factor பார்த்தா XC common divisor taking away the X வெளியிடுனா remainder X இங்க -4 then here இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்முக்கு common divisor யாரு 2 is a common term 2 க்கு முன்னாடி positive sign இருக்கு so +2 எடுத்துக்கிறோம் +2 எடுத்துட்டா 1 2 is 2. How many 2s are 8? 4 2s are 8. So therefore x plus 2, another one x minus 4. X plus 2, another one x minus 4. So let in value substitute for 0 that x plus 2 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. And x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. If I substitute for the whole expression of 0, first x minus 2 substitute. Let us say p of minus 2. P of minus 2. When I have minus 2 the whole square minus 2 into minus 2 minus 8. Minus 2 the whole square. Minus into minus plus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 8. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next, P of 4 substitute for P of 4 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Sorry. Minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Okay, now 4 square value 16. 4 square value 16. Okay. 2 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 8. This one is minus 8. 16 minus 16. The answer is 0. Sixteen minus 16. The answer is 0. So now, substitute the whole expression 0 வருது. Let x is equal to minus 2 and 4. X is equal to minus 2 and 4 and substitute the whole expression 0 வருது. So that is the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Minus 2 comma 4 is a polynomial P of x. Okay. So next one, roots of a quadratic equation. The polynomial number zeros no. The roots of a quadratic equation. Roots of a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. A என்னவா இருக்கக்கூடாது 0 இருக்கக்கூடாது. because highest power நமக்கு என்ன வரும் 2 ன்னு வரும். ஓகே, இங்க டைரக்டான ஃபார்முலா போடுறேன். roots formula x is equal to x is because x is a variable a b c in the constant term. The x is equal to formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Is that it? அதாவது ஒரு quadratic equation ஓட roots factorize மெத்தட்ல பார்க்கலாம். அடுத்து ஃபார்முலா மெத்தட்ல பார்த்தா அந்த ஃபார்முலா மெத்தட்ல என்னன்னா என்ன ஃபார்முலா வருதுன்னா x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and it is written by minus b plus or minus இருக்கு இல்லையா? So first plus symbol divided by 2a comma minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x ஓட solution கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு quadratic equation x ஓட solution கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கான formula minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a comma minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So common எடுக்கும்போது plus or minus 1. Common எடுக்கும்போது plus or minus 1. Then now you know the roots. The equation oda roots என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு. Equation oda roots என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு. If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Alpha and beta oda x oda value x is equal to alpha and x is beta இதுதான் வந்து ax square plus bx plus c ஓட ரூட்ஸா இருந்தா எப்படி நம்ம ஈக்குவேஷன் கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் algebraic equation எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்ன்றது கொஸ்டின். So let us take alpha equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Last பார்த்தோமே. And second root beta equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a என்றதுனா இப்போ நமக்கு ஆல்பா என்ன தெரியும் and beta என்ன தெரியும். லாஸ்ட் சம் பார்த்தா -2 and 4 வந்தது இல்லையா ரூட்ஸ். சோ இத வச்சு எப்படி நம்ம ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணலாம். ஆன்சர் வச்சு क्वेश्चन கொண்டு போறோம். ஓகே ஆன்சர் வச்சு क्वेश्चन கொண்டு போறது என்னன்னா that is written by x square minus of sum of the roots. Sum of the roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So the roots are alpha and beta together. X square minus sum of the roots of alpha plus beta into x. Product of the roots number alpha into beta is equal to 0. Alpha into beta is equal to 0. So last one example பார்க்கலாமே. என்ன பார்ப்போம்? இங்க x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0 ன்ற ஈக்குவேஷன் பண்ண ரூட்ஸ் பார்த்தா -2 and 4. So இது எப்படி கரெக்ட்டா இருக்குன்னு செக் பண்ணலாம். Let us take alpha is equal to -2 and beta is equal to 4. Alpha equal to -2 and beta equal to 4. First sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Alpha is -2 plus beta is 4. -2 plus 4 is subtraction. -2 plus 4 is subtraction. So, for 4 minus 2 answer plus 2. Product alpha beta. So, -2 into 4. -2 into 4 answer -8. -2 into 4 answer -8. Okay. So now the equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Yeah. So x square minus alpha plus beta. The answer is 2x. Product alpha into beta. Answer -8 is equal to 0. That is the given equation. Is that good? Okay. Now come to the exercise 3.9. Exercise 3.9. First question. Determine the quadratic equations whose sum and product of the roots are, first one, minus 9, 20. So determine the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க, roots கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Okay. Whose roots ஓட sum and product. Sum and product ரெண்டுமே கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Roots ஆ கொடுக்கல, sum கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, product கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Equation என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So first one, sum alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Sum பண்ண answer minus 9. Next, product alpha beta. Alpha into beta is equal to 20. The question clear ah கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. நான் இது வந்து minus 9 and 20 into roots கிடையாது. Roots ஓட sum, roots ஓட product, roots ஓட total and roots ஓட multiple கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So direct equation போறோம். Equation formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now substitute the value. X square minus alpha plus beta equal to minus 9. This formula is minus. But in alpha plus beta cancel minus 9 into x plus alpha beta product 20 is equal to 0. So x square minus into minus, minus into minus plus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. X square plus 20, x square plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. And first question, second subdivision. First question, second subdivision, 5 by 3, comma, minus 4. 5 by 3, comma, sorry, plus 4. 5 by 3, comma, plus 4. So here, sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta equal to 5 by 3. Product of roots alpha beta is equal to 4. So we need an equation. X square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Equation of right side 0. Okay. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 5 by 3 here. 5 by 3 x plus alpha into beta 4 is equal to 0. Alpha into beta is 4 is equal to 0. And again, the denominator 3 note. Suppose the denominator 3 into 3 cancel பண்ணனா whole equation 3 ஆல multiply பண்றோம். Okay, so இங்க denominator வந்து இங்க 1 இருக்கு. So whole equation is multiplied by 3. 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 into 5 by 3. 3 cancel, minus 5x. 3 4s are 12 is equal to 0. Okay, question number 3. Minus 3 by 2, comma, minus 1. Minus 3 by 2, comma, minus 1. So here some alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 by 2. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. Okay, alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. So therefore the equation x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 3 by 2 into x plus alpha beta minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square minus into minus plus 3 by 2 plus into minus minus 1 is equal to 0. In the denominator is 2. Other 1 இருக்கு. So அதனால இங்கெல்லாம் வேற ஏதாவது LCM எடுத்துக்கலாம். But இங்க 2 இருக்கிறதால multiply by 2. 2 into x square 2x square plus 3 by 2 into 2 2 cancel minus 3 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Next one, fourth question, first subdivision, fourth question, minus of 2 minus a the whole square plus a plus 5 the whole square. So the product is sum minus of 2 minus a the whole square plus comma a plus 5 the whole square. So alpha is equal to minus of 2 minus a the whole square and beta alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is this and alpha into beta is this a plus 5 the whole square. So equation x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta is what? Minus of 2 minus a the whole square into x plus alpha beta is what? A plus 5 the whole square is equal to 0. A plus 5 the whole square is equal to 0. Then simplify this x square minus into minus plus 2 minus a the whole square x plus a plus 5 the whole square is equal to 0. Okay, now the same exercise, second question. Same exercise, second question. Find the sum and product of the roots for each of the following quadratic equations. So, here sum and product என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So, first பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்க general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. இங்க sum and product என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. First question பாத்தீங்கன்னா x square plus 3x minus 28 is equal to 0. Find the alpha and beta. Alpha என்ன beta என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So a coefficient of coefficient of x squares a, that is coefficient of x square a equal to 1, coefficient of x b is equal to 3, and constant term c is equal to minus 28, c is equal to minus 28. இப்போ ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்து ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்து அதுல சம் அண்ட் ப்ராடக்ட் கேட்டாங்கன்னா இதை ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ணி கொண்டு போகலாம். another one method என்னன்னா ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்து அதனோட சம் அண்ட் ப்ராடக்ட் என்ன கேட்டாங்கன்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு. Sum of the roots. If equation is given ax square plus bx plus c என்ற equation கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா sum of the roots alpha plus beta கேட்டாங்கன்னா minus b by a. minus b by a. And product of the roots. Alpha into beta c by a. Okay, this is very simple. Equation கொடுத்து equation form கொடுத்து sum of the roots, product of the roots எப்படி கேட்டாங்கன்னா alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a is the formula. Alpha into beta equal to c by a into the formula. So see here, a equal to 1, b equal to 3, and c equal to minus 28. a 1, b 3, c minus 28 நம்மளுக்கு sum of the roots. Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to formula is minus b by a1 minus b by a. So minus b value 3 divided by a 1. So minus 3 by 1 answer minus 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3. And product of roots alpha into beta. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So what is c? Minus 28 by a value 1. The answer is minus 28. So therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 and alpha beta is equal to minus 28. Okay. Next question, question number 2. X square plus 3x is equal to 0. X square plus 3x is equal to 0. See here, a equal to coefficient of x square. So இங்க எதுமே இல்லனா a equal to 1. X square முன்னாடி எதுமே இல்லனா 1 இருக்குங்க. ஆமா, b equal to 3 coefficient of x. But c, there is no constant term. Constant term is கிடையாது. So c equal to 0. C equal to 0. We need the sum of the roots. So solution, sum alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So b value, already formula minus and b value 3 by a value 1. So minus 3 by 1 answer minus 3. product alpha beta is equal to C by A. C is equal to 0. 0 by 1 answer 0. 0 by any number answer 0. So therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 and alpha beta is equal to 0. Next question, third one. 3 plus 1 by A is equal to 10 by A square. 10 by A square. Okay. இப்போ டைரக்டா quadratic equation ஃபார்ம்ல இல்ல fraction ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கு. கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும். ஓகேங்களா? கன்வர்ட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? இங்க A and A square A square ன்றது நமக்கு fraction ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கு. So LCM எடுத்துக்கலாம். LCM of A and A square is A square. LCM of A and A square is A square. So whole term A square multiply by A square. 3 into A square, 3A square. 3 A square into 1 by A. 1 by A into A square. Just 1 A is cancelled. Remainder A is equal to 10 by A square into A square. 10 by A square into A square. A square cancel, answer 10. Now arrange this 10 to left side. 3A square plus A minus 10 is equal to 0. Now what is A? Inga A square A is variable. So inga small letter A varudhandradala confusion ஆகாம இருக்கறதால just take capital A is equal to 3 and capital B is equal to coefficient of A1. Capital C constant is equal to minus 10. So sum alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. Minus B by A. So now B value 1 will have minus 1 by A value 3. So it is minus 1 by 3. And product alpha beta is equal to C by A. C by A. C is equal to minus 10 by A value 3. That's all. So therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 3 and alpha beta is equal to minus 10 by 3. Okay, students, next question. Next question padina 3y square question number 4 3y square minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. 3y square minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 4, alpha plus beta minus b by a. That means minus of minus 1 by 3 minus into minus plus 1 by 3. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 3. And alpha beta product is equal to c by a. So that is minus 4 by 3. That's why alpha beta is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video.